Hey guys, I am almost mad. I have been wanting to do a video for you guys for at least a day or two, ever since I saw that the farmers had started harvesting the wheat close to my house. And since the wheat field is right literally in the back of my house, I wanted to share that with you. And I was in town and at a meeting, and when I got home, I saw they were harvesting the field. So there's a bug on my arm. So I just wanted to share it with you because it's personal. So right now they are headed this way. So I wonder how much wheat actually goes in the red machine that's harvesting it before they have to get that tractor beside it to ride beside it to dump it in. I'm gonna apologize in advance. My neighbor's dog is never outside during the day, but for this week he has to be outside, and whenever he hears me, he barks. I did babysit him one time. Okay, I guess it's stopping while it's coming. I guess it got all of it poured in there. And now it's coming our way. So it's getting up close and personal. And now my nephew Tristan, I know he liked tractors, but I don't know if he still likes tractors. So if he does, then this will be a great video for him. And maybe at the end, if I don't forget, I'll see if I can sneak a peek through the fence so you can see my neighbor's dog Blue. But he is not happy about being outside, I can tell you that right now. Okay, so the other one is positioning himself somewhere. He's following behind, it looks like. Trying to get it both in. It's coming this way. Oh, he's turning around. He's getting ready for him to come back. It's pretty cool stuff, huh? It doesn't really seem like it's taking that long to get this whole field, because they already did that whole side over there. Now they just got to get the rest of the stuff that's behind my house. It's getting closer. It's gonna probably be loud. I bet this farmer didn't know this morning he was gonna be on video today. He's just getting up to go do his job. I would say YouTube famous, but probably not. I want you to look at the back when he turns around, because you can see all the holes and stuff being shot out the back. So the wheat stays inside, and then what's trash mostly goes out the back. Watch him turn. Oh, this one ain't okay, here he comes. That takes up a pretty good space. Just think about, in the old times they used to have to do this by hand. Got to back up because there's a ditch right there. I'm glad he's cutting it, because yesterday I saw some turtles and some huge frogs, and so today maybe I can get a video. Let's see the back of it. See the stuff come out the back. See? Pretty cool. It was really loud. Sounds like there's one coming from the other way, but it's not. It's just this one. I think he's going to turn or back up and get that little row. I think he's just going to probably turn. Get him coming head on towards us. Here he comes, straight to us. Straight to us. See if I can get him to wave when he gets up here. He might not be paying attention to me. He's just trying to stay in the lines. He waves, yay! When I was a kid, we used to try to get the truck drivers to honk their horn. So for me today, a wave is just as good as getting him to honk his horn. Uh-oh, his lights tore out the back. See that? It's just dangling. I guess he backed into something. You know what? My chickens are going to probably go out in the field and see if they can find any wheat that might have got accidentally dropped, because they had found the wheat, and actually there's some left over. Let me see if I can. Oh, wrong. I didn't mean to move it back to me. I meant to walk over this way. See, he missed a little bit of it right here. So my chickens will happily eat that for him. And there's some that got bent over. That may have been the chickens, or it may have been Lucy. Who knows? But my chickens will happily search the field for him and see if they find any that he missed. Thank you guys for joining me on this adventure, and I will see you next time. Love you guys.